Mentakasi ke Press Information Bureau jangka sarkar Pleng kalau ialam iki nongthoh khubor nak jylla Meghalaya ba Tripura syaka Kabini National Park ke badan hapok ke distrik HD Kotia jangka jylla Karnataka. Hakani ke National Park lai iba kumnu la penek pensai kimran balaya thu ba hakani ke National Park la dan punjat kimran ba hakani ke jaka lari la semada katna klau jangka sarkar jylla Karnataka. Hakani ke jaka kibri nak keleng jangka perthegi wan bajungok kai bat ban pet ye kimran. Kajing he jangka ni ke Kabini National Park ke long rius pa lai pusau pun nai perkenai akar. Kani ke National Park kedan ya ke kana pateng ha ke bagi brio nak kani ke jylla ki ya thu bakumnu la penek pensa ya kani ke National Park. Kani ke Kabini National Park la ai keteng ha ke bayade bakawai kawa ke badan hasenda jongka.
You could select the elephant actually, which one you want to tame it actually. So that's how the mass capture of elephants was done actually. Sometimes you get tuskers, sometimes you get sometimes you get calf and all the stuff. Once they're in the stockade, they would pick and choose the elephant. They would tie the rope to the legs and then get it back, tie it to a tree or something. Then they will start the taming procedure. Now there is no mass capturing of elephants now, as of now. We do capture elephants, but on a incident basis, like if there is a need. Say for example, a tusker is causing a rampage in the village or entering every day or something like that. So we would capture that tusker and put him into a kraal. Kraal is nothing but a man-made structure where it is all complete wooden or iron poles. Where you put it in the kraal, slowly, you tame that elephant by giving her food and you make him obey to your commands. Once it is trained, you will take it out from the kraal. So again, Arjuna was very famous for carrying the Hauda, the Mysore goddess on the Ambari, and he would go in the procession. So unfortunately, we lost him in an incident where we were supposed to capture a tusker or something like that. In that incident, this one died actually. Okay. Bogeshwara and long crust, and that could be the son, probably the gene has passed on to that elephant actually, because he saw the tusk also crossing like that. It had a huge tusk actually, it could touch the ground.
What is the name?
Which one? This we have not named it. If you want, you can.
Age would be?
Age is an adult one. Until unless you know the girth of that foot, right? You will not be able to know.
You can name him David.